Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about how to learn to code on your own. First, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is George. I'm going to be going into my third year of computer systems engineering this fall, and I've been programming for around 5 years, most of which was self-taught. So my first piece of advice would be to stick to one programming language. Sticking to one language ensures that you don't get confused with different syntaxes. Starting off with any language would be fine. If you don't know which one to start off with, I'd recommend Python. That's the one that I started with. Python is very easy to pick up and it has a very simple syntax, which makes it very easy to learn, and it's very versatile. There are many good resources to learn programming on the internet. I'll have some listed down below in the description. My personal favorite one is W3 Schools. My second piece of advice is to be consistent. The key to learning something on your own is to be consistent. If you do not commit time to learning this skill every day, you're going to have to reteach yourself things and you're going to waste a lot of time. I would recommend to dedicate 1 hour of your time every day to learning and practicing programming. Obviously, the more time that you dedicate, the faster you're going to learn, but be sure to avoid burnout. Although you should stay consistent, do not overdo it or you're going to lose all motivation to keep on learning. My next piece of advice is to work on many projects. Projects are very important for solidifying understanding of new concepts. If you only learn new concepts and don't work on any projects, you're never going to know if you actually understand the concepts. My next piece of advice is, if possible, try to learn with a friend. If you have a friend who also wants to learn programming, you guys can learn together and motivate each other to go further. Learning with a friend is very effective because you guys can keep each other accountable. My last piece of advice is remember that coding is a lifelong journey. No matter what level you are, there's always something new to learn. You may see people online that know everything about programming, but remember, those people have been programming for many years. Remember to not get discouraged and keep on going. This is the end of this video. If you have any other piece of advice, feel free to share them in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, consider liking, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe.